All right, everybody. Good morning. I just arrived at the hospital here, and I already got the nurses all riled up, and I said, the spicy meatball is here. I came in with my garb. Okay? They don't know what I'm doing, but you guys know I do whatever the hell I want. Lucky number 5, but this is it. Ooh, uh-oh. She came in like a wrecking ball. All right. Look. Came my live. That's me. See if they can fix me. This is me. Now, how about if I was naked in here? Y'all would have just run in and saw my boobies. She just came in like, I had a thong on or something. It would have been something. All right, so.
Because the curtain was open. I just closed it for you.
It's all right. I don't care anymore. After 5 surgeries, it's like it doesn't even matter. Once you've been bedpanned, you're done. All right. Now I'm going to get naked in here, right? I'm going to steal supplies is really what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the gloves. I'm going to take tissues. Oh, we got more. Marking surgery. I could use these. Let me sign this here. Jess has been here. We could charge for this. You see what I'm saying? Oh, see what I'm saying? I'm going to take all the things because all my co-pays and all the money I've spent on surgery, I'm taking everything, all the supplies. What else do I want here? Let me see here. Oh, we've got nice yellow socks today. Extra large. I haven't been extra large in I don't know how long. You know, the thing is, you lose 50, 51 pounds. The thing is, everybody says, how'd you lose weight, Jess? And I'm like, just by changing my diet. And they say, is it Ozempic? It's terrible. The life we live now, that when you lose weight, everybody thinks it's Ozempic. What is this? Wet, dry. You know, like a good clipper. Though, I've been groomed already. Let me see what that... Oh. So I haven't eaten anything. I am very hungry. This is a shaver, but there's no head on it. But it's pretty responsive. Wet, dry. You know, I'm a Joyzy girl. I wonder how they charge this thing. Oh, they charge it on the base. This is what I do in the hospital because I'm over it. So I come in the hospital. Chrissy comes. She drops me off. And I'm checking in. And Ronald, the receptionist, is an old guy. He's trying to be nice. Hi, happy holidays, Ronald. Looks at me. And somebody left their coffee in a bag. So I said, oh, Ronald, somebody left their coffee. And he goes, oh, I know. And it leaked. And he goes, look what you did. And I said, Ronald, I was trying to help you. I did not do that. I did not leave the coffee. I was just letting you know there was coffee left here. How would I know that it was leaking? You knew it was leaking. And then he's back and forth. I says, Ronald, it's 9 a.m. in the morning. It's not the time right now. I'm not the one. And then he quieted himself down. I'll report, Ronald. You don't want to feel like that right before you go to surgery. He pissed me off. And then Chrissy was like, oh, this one here, he's already starting. But it's not me. I came in happy. I just dropped off my Mercedes to get serviced. Got my glasses on. My skin's done. Guys, look. I got my nose all waxed yesterday so that when they're looking at me on my belly, if anyone wants to look up, hair free, baby. You never know. Look, eyebrows done. I'm ready. So I'm going to take this off for now. Let's start getting the garb on. Hospital. But yeah, all of the nurses, they were like, this one here. She's funny. I'm 86 kilos. Does anybody know what 86 kilos is? Yeah, there's always drama. I'm like, I got my pump just in case. I got all the things. I got no earrings on. He just aggravated me. I'm like, I just wanted to be a nice person and tell you somebody left the coffee. I can't let it go. I'm such a girl. I look like a boy, but I'm such a girl. So yes, here we go. We're going to get ready. And I thought about each and everything that I put on today. Got my red, my favorite color. Okay. This is the thing. This is a new hospital I've been in, so they haven't met the likes of me yet. But this one's nice. They give you a little paper bag and everything. It's nice. I get to see all the things 5 times this year. I get to see everybody's protocol. The other hospital had beige. Kind of like the yellow. It's nice. Let's see here. You know, I remember when I was a chubby wubby. And, you know, these things didn't close and yet my ass was out. Now, these fit me. This is not bad. I wish it was red. It could be a better color. Gotta have a positive attitude. I mean, what are you gonna do? I mean, I bought my own slippers because I said, why even put shoes on? I got my slippers on already. I'll put them in the bag. Here it is. You guys want me to take my shirt off? You want to do it together? You can't see those things. Stop it. But isn't this so apropos? This is me all year. And then before then, my hand was operated. And then look, I got a little lost in the head. You see? Mm-hmm. Well, let's get on the gurns. Let's start with the foot. All right? Look at this. I'm wasting away. I'm withering away because all they do. You know why I'm losing all this weight? Because I have a hole the size in my leg, and it's siphoning out all the fat. It was a new procedure. Now they're going to close it. Now that I'm at my goal weight. What's happening, people of the page? You know I'm not going to let you down. I'm always going to give you something to turn that frown around. Number 5. It's good. It's good. It's good socks. We'll start like Mr. Rogers. You put your right foot up. You put your left foot. Came in with compression socks. Such a good girl. Here we go. Once again. My spicy little friend. All right. Socks on. Do you guys do sock shoe? Sock shoe, or do you do sock shoe shoe? Which one do you do? Let me know in the comments. Sock shoe shoe or sock shoe? And I'm not speaking another language. You're laughing? I love that you guys are laughing. So apropos. I mean, come on. Come on.
Do you need a couple more minutes?
I'm over here on a live feed. You can come in. Come on. Let's go. I'm taking my time here.
All right, I'm going to leave this stuff. My name's Rachel.
Rachel, like Ray?
Like Ray.
I love that.
Yeah.
She's tall, beautiful. Look at this. She's not on Ozempic. Look at that. Nobody wants to be on camera.
Then,
What is this
During
here?
the admission, we will just have you turn that off, though, and then get you all checked in, and then you can kind of go from there.
All right, let me take my boobies out and get into gear here.
Okay, perfect. You're all
I
ready
want
to go.
all the things. I'm taking everything. Shit. All right. Let's go. Let's get the bottoms off first. Slick shoe, socks. Okay. Sick shoe, sock, sock. Okay, we do sock, shoe. Okay. I'm a sock, shoe girl, right? Exactly. More like spitting on my coffee laughing. I love it. Robin Bergen, stop it. She's pretty beautiful, but not like my Chrissy. Chrissy got her hair done yesterday, and I'll tell you, boy, 20 years, I still love my wife. Whoa, girl. She was like, the pants are off. That's it. La da 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 da. What a strip tease. Tall people are so overrated, I know. The shorter you are, the closer you are to the dirt, though. You know what I mean? Oh, you're on Wegovy. Let's see, what am I going to do? I want to be like Jack Nicholson in that movie where my ass sticks out and I just walk with my ass out. Like nobody notices that my ass is out. What do you think? Yes, Cheryl Levis. Where have you been? And another one, DJ Khaled. All right. I'm going to leave you with my glasses here for a second. And a little Christmas lights. Take a look at the room. I got to get the girls out. All right, here. You guys, take 1 minute. It's easy to take all this off. Just give me a minute. And we'll get into the other garb. All right, here we go. Got to take the tatas out. That's going to be my bed for the day. Ooh-la-la-la-la. Ba-ba-ba-bum. 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 I think, yeah, you got to leave it open in the back. We go ass out. The thing is, you have to be like, you really gotta get the things in. There go the girls. Now they're loose. They're like moving around and shaking, but I'm gonna be on my belly anyways. It's better to be on your belly than be on your back. You know what I mean? Boom ching. Christy Brooks, what's going on? Look at my little pants now. Look at this. The thing is, when you get thin, your clothes are so much littler. Another one in the bag. All right, I got the ropes. Don't go for the soap. Whoop, whoop. Do you hear my whistle? I hear you. What's going on, Miss Barbara Wren? Big shout out to all the ladies of the page. Leanne, the Mama Davenports, the Lucy Bonanos. Look at these girls getting tightened up. All right, I got yellow socks on, a green gown. I'm going to put those glasses on. You think they're going to notice that I'm going to take all their markers? Right now, yeah, Stacey Ottoman, there we go. You're gonna hook me up. I like to put this here. I like to put this here right on my nips. Beep, 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 beep. Let's see what my pulse does. What's my pulse? Hyperactive. Oh, I'm alive. Yeah, girl. And another one. DJ Khaled just, wait, look at this. DJ Khaled just came on the screen. Look at that. Look at that. I'm beaten. Listen, we got to document this. You never know what happens on this table. All right, let me take that off and let me get my stuff on here. I don't want anybody looking at my ass. Or maybe I do. But I gave a good grooming to make sure that the from under cheese and everything's right, because you never know. My mother-in-law told me, Jessica, go with new underwear. You never know where you're going. I'm going to say to the doctor, we've been doing this since February. Now we're here in Christmas. Let's go. Should I put this right in here? No. In the bag. See? All on camera. All right. Ready? Guys, you want to see a tattoo? When I graduated dog grooming school, I got these paws here to always know that the dog is always on my back, always on my mind, right by my ears. Let me take a rest. It's sunny in here. I'm going to tell the doctor, I don't want to see it anymore. All right. Listen, this thing, I want to know who's going to come and get the stuff. Get the stuff. Get the stuff. Get the stuff. We pay for this stuff. Sure. I tell them, I need extra markers. I mean, why can't we get this tied up here? You know what I mean? I need we got rope. Here we go. We'll tie the rope to the rope. Here it is. This is how I'm going to do it. This is some Puerto Rican jimmy rigging right here. I feel like I'm Gone with the Wind fabulous right now. Now I'm going to go out there with these glasses and this garb. And I'm going to turn it up. These bitches don't get paid. Look at this. Perfect. Ow. They don't get patience like this. I mean, really. Ready. I always wanted to do that. Okay. All right, we got to go in my room. Nobody wants to see my ass and nobody wants to be videoed but me. All right? They're going to do all my vitals. All right. I'm going to keep it going now, ladies. You can only see my ass.
I apologize. We have to have you turn it off while we go through the questions and everything.
You see? You can't know my information. All right, guys. I love you. She apologizes. I love it. You see, it's the way you say it. It's not what you're saying. It's how you say it. You know, like Ronald. Ronald's going to get reported today. That asshole downstairs. But you see these two pretty girls? Chef's kiss. All right, I got to go now. Let me take my glasses on so I can see what's going on, okay? Love you all. Remember, if I don't come out, make sure that they give me a good haircut. And make sure they have all my hairs done.